Hi, I'm Harshita, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can scale your LinkedIn outreach using one of the smartest and most scalable LinkedIn automations platform out there. This is LinkedIn, an all-in-one LinkedIn automation platform that lets you find leads, run smart campaigns, and manage all your conversations from one place. First things first, you connect your LinkedIn account, and the moment you do, LinkedIn assigns a dedicated residential proxy to that account. So every action looks like it's coming from a real, unique person. Once connected, if you have a new account, the first thing you want to do is hit start warm up. This gradually builds up your account's activity, so when your campaigns go live, they don't spike from zero and trigger LinkedIn's limit. Right next to it, you will see an AI post writer. This lets you create and publish content directly from LinkedIn. It matters because your prospects will check your profile before they accept your request. An active posting profile converts significantly better. You can post directly from LinkedIn. Now let's get our leads sorted. LinkedIn has a scraping tool called Scraper, and it gives you lots of options. You can import your own CSV if you already have a list. You can scrape using LinkedIn Search or Sales Navigator, or you can go intent based. You can scrape using post commenters, post reactors, LinkedIn group members. You can even scrape the event attendees using the profile search option. Just paste the attendee list link and LinkedIn pulls every single person from that event. But my personal favorite is Stalker. Stalker lets you target a competitor or an influencer in your niche and scrape everyone who's actively engaging with their content. These aren't random people. They are already interested in exactly what you do, add them to your list, and you're starting from a warm place. Now that we have our list, it's time to build some campaigns, and that's where LinkedIn really shines. You create smart multi-step sequences that mimic human behavior. Let me quickly show you how one looks like. You can start by sending a connection request, adding a few delays, sending message if you're connected, like their post, follow them, adding follow-up messages, and many other things. Each step has a waiting period, so it feels completely natural. And the moment a lead replies, the sequence stops automatically, no awkward automated message landing after someone's already responded. The human conversation takes over exactly when it should. LinkedIn can also analyze the sentiment of your reply based on your criteria. If it's a positive reply, you can send it directly to your CRM. Using LinkedIn, you can build as complex workflows as you want. Once the lead is pushed into our CRM funnel, a visual pipeline where you can see every lead moving across whatever stages you define. You build the funnel, you decide the stages, as many as you need. And if you're running multiple accounts, managing conversations can be a literal nightmare. That's why LinkedIn has a Unibox. You find all your conversations at one place. You can filter them by LinkedIn accounts or the campaigns that you are running. Every conversation, every account, one place. You never have to switch profiles again. So smart campaigns, intent-based scraping, built-in CRM, and one inbox for everything. That's LinkedIn. If you have any questions, just DM us and we'll get right back to you. Welcome to LinkedIn. Let's get your outreach running.